Saint exists. Hospitals. It's free real estate. Depression. You can't defeat me. Me. I know, but he can. Teenager. Adult child. Don't you have any work to do? Me. Land. Ocean. Lying won't make you money. Lawyers. Kid breaks all their bones. School nurses. Can I offer you an ice in this trying time? Teacher, you guys have exam tomorrow. The kids in the back. Yes, very sad. Anyway. Your CPU temperature has exceeded 81.25 degrees Celsius. Prolonged use at this temperature may shorten the CPU lifespan. Sun surface temperature 55.05 degrees Celsius. Famous artists take months to create their art. Art teachers. Best I can do is 1 hour. The actual Australian wildlife. Me after taking a 5-minute nap after 30 hours of Minecraft. Health. Me at test. I know that I know nothing. Perfect card game doesn't exist. Thank you for driving carefully. Ironic. Friend, I cheated on the test. Kindergartner. Wait, that's illegal. Every masterpiece has its cheap copy. 40k LED lights to make the perfectly lit tree. Meanwhile the chipmunk tree. Mum, stop playing video games now. Me, just 8 more minutes. Mum, alright. Me. Humanity fucked up so bad that level 90 moths started showing up. When your crush tells you her sad breakup story.
Ain't nothing like a good Mountain Dew.
Subscribe.